Introduce highlight features or overview summary for YCZS remote control camping fan with LED light. That's include foldable camping light. This large portable fan is designed to facilitate your outdoor adventures. The battery-powered fan is equipped with a 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery, with a battery life of 6 to 25 hours. And can also be used as a power bank to charge other devices such as smartphones or tablets. Let you spend a comfortable outdoor night without worrying about running out of battery. Sturdy and drop-proof. Made of sturdy and durable ABS material, this camping fan has a sturdy and drop-proof design, durable enough to handle rough terrain and accidental drops. The battery can be fully charged in just 8 hours, much faster than other outdoor tent fans. This camping gear is especially useful when you are away from a power source for a long time and need to rely on a fan to keep cool. Multifunction. The tent fan has a timing function that can be timed for 2, 3, 5 hours respectively, and you can set the fan to run for a specific time to save energy. It also comes with a hook for the remote control, making it easy to carry or hang the fan. And the fan also features a foldable LED light that can be used to provide additional lighting in dark environments such as a tent or cabin. This makes it a great tool for camping or to use during a power outage or emergency. Multi-angle oscillation and quiet operation. The portable rechargeable fan adopts a low-noise design to ensure a strong breeze while remaining quiet. The head can rotate 180 degrees with 4 speeds to cover a larger area for your friends and family to enjoy. Hang anywhere and durable. Whether you want to hang the outdoor fan inside a tent, on a tree branch, or in your car, umbrellas and hammocks, the built-in sturdy hook ensures stable placement. It is also suitable for desktop or desk use and is also a perfect survival kit. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.